Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Libras, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So stay tuned for that reading that will follow this reading, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your general energies first, guys. Libras, we have Knight of Cups, 10 of Cups and 9 of Pentacles. So Libras, in your situation today, guys, you are feeling happy and you are feeling that emotional contentment and joy. Maybe in your personal life or in your career situation is really good. Things are going in a very positive way. And I also see that maybe in your work there is some kind of a new opportunity reaching you, or a new project, or it may be some important things unfolding for you in your work situation. Some positive changes are unfolding for you, and maybe in your personal life, guys, there are some positive changes and it is giving you a lot of happiness and things are going in the right way for you. Maybe you have that beautiful understanding with this person. You are moving towards marriage or engagement and you both share mutual love, trust, caring, and you have a great intimacy. So all positive things are what I see, guys. And also for you Libras, today you are getting some important message, guys. It may be a message or a news from this person you love. So maybe they are coming with the news, or they are sending someone, maybe a messenger with the news. So some positive things are unfolding in your life today, guys, and you can be happy for it, because in your situation I see happiness, joy and contentment, guys. So in your personal life and in your career situation, things are proceeding in a very positive way, Libras. Maybe if you are even facing some troubles, you are going to get that clarity today, guys, in your situation. Maybe you may have some misunderstandings, but whatever it is, you are going to get clarity, and some unexpected happy news or a message is reaching you, something taking you by surprise, something which is clearing your mind. And also for some of you, this person you love, they may invite you for some important event. Maybe they want you to meet their parents. So something important is happening in your life today, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals, and it is going to be like a pick a card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, choose with these crystals or the cards, whatever comes to you first. So that card may answer your questions or clear your doubts, guys. So I will start the reading with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, guys, and this crystal, let's see what it is. We have Archangel Rahul. So it is an angel card here, guys. It just means that angels are here guiding us today. And maybe in your life today, for those who chose this card, you feel that you have been unfairly treated. Someone has wronged you in some ways, and it is really difficult for you to maintain that harmony and balance. So, however, you are trying to console yourself, let go of all that hurt. You feel really hurt, and you're so much emotionally disturbed because of the way they treated you, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may also be involved in some kind of a lawsuit. So some legal matters are also happening today in your life. But you need not worry, guys. This angel card is a guidance for y'all. So, and the guidance is clarity of thought, and you will feel harmony in your self, guys. You will have that balanced nature. You will again have that. Maybe today you are quite emotional. Maybe you are crying. You are very much disturbed. But all that is going to resolve for you all, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and this angel card is the guidance for you all. So all your emotional disturbances, and maybe if there is some kind of a lawsuit, or if you want clarity of thought, that is what is happening today in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So what is the second card and the second crystal? For those who chose this second crystal and this card, so let's see what it is. We have celestite. So this crystal spirit's guidance for us today is that, guys, maybe angels or that higher power or God, whatever we call it, that is helping us by whispering to us, showing us signs through people. It may be strangers or someone you barely know. So you are facing some specific challenges in your relationship, guys, and these angels are dedicated to be your friend, healer, and will do anything they can to connect you to people with gifts for you. So they are going to help you open your eyes, see the truth, and guide you in the right way, guys. So you may have people telling you some words, and that may point you, or that may give you clarity in certain things, but you need to be very attentive, guys, because angels are here guiding you. And with a simple prayer, with our honest intention to listen to them, we can invoke their blessings today, the angels' blessings in your situation. So if you are facing any challenges in your relationship, this angel spirit is guiding you to come out of that difficulty, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this second card. So let's see what is the third card. For those who chose this crystal and this card, we have chop wood. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in our relationship today, nothing is more important than those simpler day-to-day activities that we do together, guys. So sometimes not everything has to be big. We may not be achieving some big things today. And we need to understand that relationships and friendships often go through lulls, and everyday tasks are the ones that is going to create a center of awareness, and that is what is perfect for the time right now. So you need to what to say, don't go for huge decisions or big things right now. You just have to go for the simpler, smaller things like holding hands, reading a book together, sharing a meal, just being with this other person, spending time with them. So that is going to work in a magical way in this relationship. And just being present is going to change the way things are between you both, guys. So everything is going all right. You need to understand that, and just spending time with them is going to resolve many difficulties in this relationship for you guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.